For more than 4 decades, the Conway School has kicked off the school year with a fall orientation trip. Conway graduate students pile into vans and head out to meet designers, planners, and conservationists, and see their projects firsthand. For the last few years, that trip has included time on Cape Cod and the opportunity to meet Conway alum Seth Wilkinson and see some of his ecological restoration projects. Through Seth's work, one project site has been transformed from a tangle of vegetation into a coastal grassland with bare patches called turtle gardens, designed to attract nesting diamondback terrapins. Terrapins are a threatened species in Massachusetts that in the 1900s was considered a delicacy and hunted almost to extinction. This year was the first year we got to see the turtle gardens in action, and also discovered an unexpected coincidence with a member of the new Conway class.
It goes out, but all its nestmates are still in there in their eggs, or they're a little slower digging their way out. Ordinarily they all dig together, but it doesn't always work that way. So some of the ones in the bottom might want to wait an extra day or two, but once the first turtles get out, then the other turtles are left behind, and so the fox could eat them. So if we can protect, the bottom, the 2/3 of the nest, save them from the predator, then we're adding more.
And they can get out from that?
They can't get out from that. That's why it's so labor intensive. So we monitor this twice a day.
As we stood looking at one of the cages designed to protect emerging juvenile turtles from predators, a member of the class looked carefully into the cage, which had been checked just an hour before by volunteers, and discovered an emerged baby turtle. Spontaneously, we began helping the Massachusetts Audubon volunteers dig up the terrapin nest, discovering empty eggshells, juveniles emerging from eggs, and other hatchlings swimming up through the sand toward the surface. The juveniles are measured and shortly after released.
So we just had this once-in-a-lifetime experience of helping to dig up diamondback or just diamond terrapins in this amazing environment that's been ecologically restored, and kept being able to walk by a nest and notice one hatchling is such a rare opportunity because they're a rare species anyways. So I just am almost speechless as to what just happened and what we were able to participate in. We were allowed to participate in that and witness it. It's just profound. It's really awesome.
One member of Conway's new class found the visit especially inspiring because 3 years earlier, as a AmeriCorps volunteer, he had helped clear the very same site.
This whole site was covered with black locust trees that were taking over the habitat, and as you can see, there's a lot of black locust sprouting. That it's kind of the stubborn succession of what we had cut down, and so they used to all be huge trees. That what they do is working for AmeriCorps. They trained me with a chainsaw and to come in here with some other people, and we kind of worked together to take the trees down and open up the space for the purposes of the turtle gardens that you see around here. And so we see some successful fruits of our labor, and there you see turtle hatching, and then there's some other turtle nests here. And hopefully it stays clear, and then we can continue the process of the turtles nesting here and hatching and continuing the turtle habitat.
It shouldn't be such a big surprise that Conway students and alums and terrapins have been collaborating long before we even knew it. These coincidences are just another reminder that Conway brings together people who are making a real difference in the world.